He's got extra dew claws. He's got a YouTube channel too. That's why I'm recording for him. If you don't mind, this is... Yeah, I just want to make sure. I like recording the dogs here and putting it on for people who can't get to the park. Go for it.
What is his name?
Atim. A-T-O-M.
Adam.
He does it listed well. He'll come back. Yeah, he's got an attention span of like a 2-year-old, so he'll come back. A year. Turned a year on Halloween. Oh, I got a picture. Hold on, let me get a shot of him playing and then...
That's Angus.
Cool. Yeah, I like to put the dogs' names on there too when I do it.
Yeah. Son Adam. The little one is Ruth. Friends forever. Does Adam come here often?
Yes, I bring him here every day I'm off of work.
Nice.
I don't have a normal schedule, so I'm not off work until 10. So.
Angus. Angus. Come on. Good boy. Hi, Adam. Oh my God.